Fujifilm has officially unveiled the X T50, their newest marvel of mirrorless cameras, calling all picture fans. Not content with just a blazing fast processor and a potent 40-megapixel camera, photographers of all skill levels will find a lot to get excited about in this mid-range marvel. Discover what makes the X T50 unique and whether it's the ideal fit for you by delving into our specifications breakdown. At first glance, the X T50 might remind you of a classic film camera from decades ago, but don't let its retro looks fool you. This beauty is loaded with cutting-edge technology. The compact body weighs just 438 grams, making it a joy to carry wherever your creative adventures take you. Its sleek design and ergonomic styling make it a pleasure to use whether you're exploring a bustling city or capturing the beauty of nature. One of the standout features of the X T50 is its rounded body shape, while slightly larger than its predecessor, the X T32. The styling makes it feel incredibly compact and easy to handle. The extended thumb grip smoothly curves outward, providing an impressive overall grip and ensuring the camera feels secure in your hands. One of the coolest things about the X T50 is its film simulation dial. Instead of fumbling through menus, you can simply turn the dial to choose from 20 different film simulation models, including the brand new Reala Ace. It's like having a box of crayons, but for your camera, allowing you to easily customize the look and feel of your images. But the customization doesn't stop there. The X T50 also features shutter speed, exposure compensation, and that nifty film simulation dial on the top plate. Combined with the aperture ring on most XF lenses, you can quickly check and adjust settings without even turning the camera on. This means you can concentrate on what matters most, capturing that perfect shot. Have you ever wished you could see your subject as clearly as possible before pressing the shutter button? With the X T50, that dream becomes a reality. Its electronic viewfinder boasts 2.36 million dots and a 0.62 times magnification ratio, providing you with a high-definition live view of your scene. Plus, the adjustable diopter control ensures a comfortable viewing experience, no matter your eyesight. But what if you prefer shooting from unique angles or lower perspectives? No problem. The X T50 tilting LCD screen adds even more versatility to your shooting experience. And with a center viewfinder, aligning the lens, camera, and you on the optical axis, you'll feel like a true professional photographer with everything in perfect harmony. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the X T50's image quality. With its cutting-edge 5th-generation X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and powerful X Processor 5 imaging engine, this little camera packs a serious punch. But what does that mean for you? Imagine being able to capture every tiny detail, every subtle texture, and every vibrant color with incredible clarity and precision. Whether you're shooting a stunning landscape, a beautiful portrait, or a bustling city scene, the X T50 will help you create images that look almost lifelike. And let's not forget about the camera's impressive 7.0 stop and body image stabilization. This nifty feature means you can say goodbye to blurry shots caused by camera shake. Even in low-light situations, or when using longer shutter speeds, you'll be able to capture sharp, crisp images with ease. No tripod required. It's also about giving you the creative freedom to express yourself. With its wide range of film simulation modes, you can easily recreate the look and feel of classic film stocks, adding a unique artistic flair to your photographs. Whether you prefer rich, vibrant colors or a more subdued, moody vibe, the X T50 has got you covered. Have you ever struggled to capture a fast-moving subject, only to end up with a blurry image? With the X T50, those frustrations become a thing of the past. Its advanced subject detection autofocus uses deep learning AI technology to accurately track a range of subjects. From animals and birds to cars, motorcycles, and even drones, you'll be able to confidently capture sharp and focused shots, no matter how fast your subject is moving. And that's not all. The updated AF algorithm in the X-T50 ensures reliable focusing, even when recording continuously moving subjects. Whether you're shooting a bustling city street or a sports event, you can trust the camera to keep up with the action. But the benefits don't stop there. The X-T50 also offers an ISO 125 standard sensitivity setting, which was previously only an extended option on the X-T32. This means you can capture stunning images with less noise, even in bright conditions, giving you more flexibility and control over your shots. Imagine being able to layer up to 9 images in various modes, like additive, average, comparative bright, or comparative dark. That's what the X-T50 multiple exposure feature allows you to do. You can combine multiple perspectives or different points in time, applying various settings like film simulations to each exposure, creating truly unique and artistic expressions straight from your camera. And if you're new to photography or videography, don't worry. The X-T50 has your back. The auto mode automatically recognizes and sets optimal exposure settings for any scene, and even detects and tracks your subject, keeping it in focus. No more fiddling with settings, just point and shoot. But the X-T50 isn't just a photography powerhouse, it's also a videography beast. You can create movies up to 6.2K internally, at 30p at 4x2x2, 10-bit color, or opt for 4K 60p or high-speed 1080 at 240p for stunning slow-motion footage. With these advanced video capabilities packed into a compact body, you'll have the freedom to capture cinematic quality videos wherever your adventures take you. And if you're into advanced video editing, the X-T50 has got you covered. It supports F-Log2, which records an expanded dynamic range of 13+ stops. This means more flexibility and potential for post-production magic, allowing you to truly unleash your creativity and bring your vision to life. In today's fast-paced world, sharing your work and collaborating with others is essential. That's why the X-T50 comes equipped with native Frame.10 camera-to-cloud technology. You can wirelessly connect to an active internet connection, authenticate to Frame.io, and start uploading your photos and videos instantly. No more waiting or hassle. But that's not all. The X-T50 is also compatible with the Fujifilm X app. This handy app allows you to transfer files quickly between your camera and smartphone, or even operate the camera remotely. It's like having a personal photography assistant in your pocket, making it easier than ever to capture those spontaneous moments and share your work with the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your photography journey, the Fujifilm X-T50 is a camera that truly delivers. With its powerful features, compact design, and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect companion for capturing those special moments and unleashing your creativity. So, that's all about the Fuji X-T50. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.